sorry, it's a day 6, right? Okay, okay. Okay, is my screen visible? Yes, screen is visible. Okay, so welcome all of you. Okay, it's a day 6 JavaScript. So as of let's just recap what we learned. Okay, so what we learned so far: infinity, minus infinity, and not a number. Okay, what we see yesterday: infinity, minus infinity, and infinity, minus infinity, and not a number. Okay, let's just see the quick recap for the. Okay, okay. We see infinity, we see infinity, we see infinity. Just a second. Now is it visible properly? Yes. We see infinity. Okay. Then we see is 10 divided by 0. If 10 divided by 0, it will return you infinity. Then minus infinity. Similar is a minus infinity is reverse of the infinity. Then we see not a number. When we see not a number, when we try to divide the string by the number, it's not a number. It will return not a number. Okay. Then we see template literal. Then we see template literal. How do we write the template turtle? We write template turtle inside the asterisk. We write the template turtle inside the asterisk. Okay. Okay. You can see it's a asterisk. Okay. Inside the asterisk. And how do we use the variable inside that template literal? We use this. Okay. We use dollar and then opening and closing curly bracket. Opening and closing curly bracket. Inside that we write our variable name. We write our, you can see variable name here. Okay. Okay. Variable name. Okay. Okay. Just okay. Okay. And to hide this symbol, we close. Okay. Whatever it is. Okay. Okay. Hope screen is visible. Is it too small? Are you able to see? Are you able to see? Is it too small? Yes, no. Is it okay? Yes, no. Please. Good morning, Akash. Yes, no, yes, no. Is it too small? Is it okay? Okay, is it okay? Okay, okay. Do I need to zoom more? Quick feedback, quick feedback. It's for you. आप ही के ऊपर रहेगा. आप ही को समझे, आप ही को दिखना चाहिए, है ना? Okay, 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 okay. So then what we see last session, then we see template literal and string dot length. Okay, we see string dot length. We also see string dot length. Okay, string dot length. See string dot length. Okay, it's another file. Okay, string dot length. String dot length. Okay, then we see string dot length. Okay, we create Virat inside this first name and then we use dot length. Okay, then modification, we use modification. Okay, then how to modify? We have one replace and second one is replace all. Replace and replace all. What replace one do? Replace only replace the first occurrence of first occurrence. Whatever we want to change, it will change only first occurrence. Okay, it will change like white cat, black cat, and orange cat. So it will only change first cat and replace all. Change all the text cat. Okay, okay, okay. You can see. Okay, single update and all update. Okay, and after that, what we see? After that, we see uppercase, lowercase. Okay, I don't need to show you trim start, trim end, then indexing, index of, and accessing index. Okay, let's just see quickly on our code. Okay, okay. हाँ इसका रिकॉर्डिंग अवेलेबल है करेक्ट करेक्ट इसका रिकॉर्डिंग अवेलेबल है इसमें भी आ गया अपना चैनल पे भी आपको मिल गया है। ठीक है, क्विक रिकैप दे रहे हैं हम, है ना, those who didn't see. Okay, then we see upper uppercase. Okay, where is uppercase? Okay, might be replaced uppercase. Okay, so यहाँ बना देते हैं uppercase. Okay, result one, result one. Okay, to uppercase. Okay, okay, then we see trim. Okay, trim will trim from all the side. Trim start only trim starting side, and trim end only end side. Okay, then we see index of. Then we see index of. Okay, so every string have their index. Inside the string, every character have the index, even including space. If inside the string you have space, that also have a index. Okay, that also have a index. So how do we find the index of our character? So we just pass a character and it will return us the index. Then like player, we have player dot index of k. Player dot index of k, it will return 0. Okay. If s, it will return 3. So in reverse, we can also access the character by its index. We can also access the character by its index. So if we have player Virat and I pass 10. So 10 is not defined. So that's why it's written undefined. Okay. It will return undefined. It will return undefined. U is capital. Okay. It will return undefined. Okay. And don't forget ed. Okay. And then if we try to access zeroth index, it will return V. It will return capital V. If we asking for the index 2, it will return 0, 1, 2. It will return R. Okay. Okay. You can see here too. R. Okay. Okay. If there is a space, it will return space. Okay. 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 I think we good to go for our next. Okay. Okay. So what we are going to see today? We are going to see today arithmetic operators and logical operators. Arithmetic operators and logical operators. It's a like a calculative thing, decision making thing. Okay. Arithmetic operator used for calculation. Okay. Like addition, multiplication, subtraction, modular. Okay. And for logical for decision making either or. Okay. 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 Let's see what it is. Okay. The arithmetic operators. Okay, arithmetic operators. Okay, just addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modules. Okay, modules, modular. Okay, modules, module. It's ampersand. It's ampersand. Okay, then okay, string number is data type we already see. Okay, so let's just jump into a code box and then see one by one what it is. Okay, what it is. Okay, so it's our day 6. Let me just create one folder. Let's just create. Okay, that's day 6. Inside that, create index dot html. Okay, index dot html. And how to import html? Just asterisk, exclamation sign, and enter. Then we create a script here. Okay, let me just create one file. Okay, arithmetic.js. Okay, okay, just import our arithmetic here. How? src. How? It's src equals to. Okay, then inverted comma, single double. Okay, should be a double inverted comma for the HTML, and then we import our dot slash arithmetic. Okay, okay. Let's see is it imported or not. Okay, let's see is it imported or not. Let's see console dot log JavaScript index 6. Okay, okay. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, how to run? How to run? How to run? Just right click on index, reveal in file explorer. Okay, reveal in file explorer. Okay, it will send you here. Okay, and then double click, then double click, double click. Okay, then double click. It will show you here in browser. It will show you on browser. Then inspect, and we do inspect, then console, and you can see in console dash 6. You can see dash 6. Okay, it linked. Okay, arithmetic.js line number 1. Okay, you can see here. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, document. Okay, okay. Let's jump to our code box. Okay, okay. What is arithmetic? Arithmetic operations. Okay, first one is addition. Simply addition, addition, simple addition. Let sum equals to, okay, let's just create a num1 equals to 10. Okay, and let num2 equals to num1 equals to 10, num2 equals to 20. Okay, okay. Let addition, addition, addition is, or sum is good. Okay? Sum equals to num1 plus num2. Correct? Let's console.log sum, or addition of PW2 number is, comma sum. Sum. What will be output? What will be output? What will be output? Any guesses? Any guesses? What it will be output? On chat, any guesses? Any guesses? 30, 30, 30, 30, 30. It will be 30. Right, let's see. Let's see. It will be 30. Let's see. I just save the file and come into browser, right click, reload, or you can reload from here too. Okay, or you can type, you can press Control R. Okay, so as of now, I'm using Control R. Control R. What is it? Addition. Okay, spelling is wrong. Okay, of two number is 30. Is 30. Is 30. 30. Okay, 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 okay. There is a one small concept and most important concept, which is also asked in interview too. Okay, what if, what if, what if, what if I tried, or I tried, let uh, first, let what do we say, the pi. Okay, let's see, pi equals to 3.14. Okay, and then let r. Okay, we try to find radius of a circle. Okay, we try area of a circle. Okay, area of circle. Okay, area of circle. What is this? 2 pi r, 2, oh sorry, pi r. Okay, pi r square. Okay, pi, pi r square, pi into r into r. Okay, that should be okay. So radius equals to 10. Okay, 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 okay. Or let's see, just add. We just try to add. Okay, only just try to add. Forget it. Let's just try to add. Okay, forget this one. Okay, I just wanted to show something for the addition related. Okay, okay. I just wanted to add these two numbers. Okay, okay. Now result. Let result. Let result equals to pi plus pi plus radius. So what it out, what is inside the result? What should be the inside the result? What should be inside the result? हमें क्या मिलेगा रिजल्ट के अंदर? Any guesses? Any guesses? Any guesses? रिजल्ट के अंदर हमें क्या मिलेगा? On chat 13 people on chat. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है ये. The most asked question in interview, and most of the freshers are stuck or confused. What will be output? बहुत simple लग रहा है. It will look more simple. 314. Okay, Manoj. 314. 314. 3.414 these. Any others? 3.24. Okay, okay, okay. 3.24. Okay, 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 okay. So look, so look, so look. Here is the concept comes concatenation. What is concatenation? We will get answer 3.1410. How, how, how this 10, how is this 10? Like, cause it's a string. It's a data type string. It's a string, and this a number. It's a number. Okay, it's a number. So in JavaScript, if you try to add string plus number, yes, your answer is right, Deep. Okay. So in our JavaScript, if you try add string and number, even string plus string. Okay. If you try to add, okay, let's see just result. Okay. Console, console.log. First, let's see result. Okay, just verify. Just verify once. Let's just verify once. Okay. 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 Let's see. On semicolon. If I forget to add semicolon, just remind me. Okay. Okay, it's a good practice. Okay, it's a good practice. Okay. 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 Let's just jump into a browser screen and let just load. Okay. You can see 3.1410. Even whatever it is number. Okay. Okay. Whatever the number I'm used. Okay. Okay. Even I just into browser. Okay. Let's just string. Sorry, it's a string. Okay. Then I write 17 plus 10. What will be output? You can see string. Okay. You can see string. Let's see its data type. How do we find the data type of any variables? How to find the data type of variable? Okay. Reload. I'll just, okay, just let me clear once. Okay. I'll just step into the browser. Sorry, in code. Okay. Okay. Let's see the data type. Type of. Type of. Okay. Type of. Okay. Type of. What's wrong? Type of. Sorry. Type of. Okay. Type of. So it should be a, what it should be. Okay. Let's see type of sum. Okay. Let's see type of sum here. Console dot log. Console dot log. Let's see a type of sum. Type of sum. Type of sum and type of result. Okay. Type of sum and type of result. Just save the file and jump into the browser and then reload. Okay. Number string. Okay. Number string. So concept is simple. Concept is too simple. If you try to add string plus string, its result is string. String plus string is string. If you add string plus number, its result also string. If you try add number to number, it will the result number. Okay. So what we learn? If we try to add string plus string, string plus string, the result will be string, and string plus number, string plus number equals to string. Correct. Correct. And if number plus number, it will string. Okay. 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 What is the takeaway? This important thing. Okay. 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 Similarly, let's just quick comment everything for now. Okay. Just comment. Okay. Let's start on subtraction. Any doubt till now? Any doubt? Any doubt? 14 people. Any doubt? Subtraction. Okay. Let's on subtraction. Okay. Okay. Just let me copy paste this one. Comment. Let subtraction equals to num1 minus num2. Okay. 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 Num2. Okay. Okay. console console.log subtraction as. Okay, let's try template literal. Okay, let's create a template literal. So asterisk subtraction of number dollar opening curly bracket closing curly bracket num1 number plus number equals to number. Correct. Okay, num1 and dollar opening closing num2. Okay, okay, num2 is what it is, dollar opening closing sub or result. Let's say rename it result. It will result easy for us. Result. Okay, okay, okay. Any doubt in template literal? Any doubt, anyone in template literal? Anyone? Anyone? Your mistake on above sentence. Mistake in above sentence. String number string plus string is a string. Okay, okay, okay. It's called concatenation. Concatenation. Adding to string, it's a concatenation. Okay, concatenation. Okay, okay, okay. Last one. Okay, number plus number. Oh, sorry. Number plus number, it's number. Correct. Last one. Akash. Thanks, Akash. Okay, okay, okay. Any confusion? Okay. Any doubt in template literal? Why, how, anything? Nothing. Let's see. Okay. Then we will see the result only. Hmm. Okay. NSA, NSA, subtraction of 10 minus 2 is minus 10. Is minus 10. Okay. 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 Correct. 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 Okay. Okay. Similarly, then just delete this one and all this. Let's write here. Num1 minus num2. Okay. It will also work. It will also work. Okay. Let's see. Multiplication. Multiplication. Okay. Console. Okay. Num1 num2 multiplication is star. It is star. Okay. Star. It's a minus. Okay. Star. Okay. It's a star. Okay. And then divide. Okay. Divide. Okay. Let's just add forward slash. Divide for forward slash. And then module. Modular or module. Okay. Or modular. Okay. What is modular? It's percent sign. It's percent sign. Why we use percent sign? I'll show you. Why we use modular? It's more like we can say important thing in programming. Okay. Let's see. I'll show you why we use. Okay. Let's see. Modular. Okay. Modular. Okay. 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 Any guesses for this output? Any guesses for these outputs? Any guesses? Quick. Any guesses for subtraction? You already see minus 10. Okay. For multiplication, any guesses? Any guesses? No one is able to guess like 10 multiplied by 30. Sorry, 10 multiplied by 20. 200. Correct. Okay, 200. And then divide 10 divided by 2, 20. Any guesses? Okay, let's see these things. Okay, okay, okay. So let's just change this subtraction into multiplication and divide and modular. Okay, or you can say remainder, sorry, or remainder, or not here, or reminder, reminder. Okay, whatever. Okay, let's just jump into code, refresh. Okay, see, subtraction 10 and 20 minus 10, multiplication 10 and 20 is 200, divide 10 by 20, it's 0.5, and modular or remainder is 10. It's 10, 10, modular of 20 is 10. Okay, let's just make simpler. Okay, 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 okay. When we try to, what is the reminder? What is the reminder? If we try to divide something, we get three things. Okay, if we try division, if we try division like 20 divided by 5, 20 divided by 5. Okay, it will get 4, 4. We will get 3 points always. We will get three things always. Just let me just start out. Okay, if we try 20, black color. Okay, 20. Okay, divided by 5. Okay, everyone know how it is work? It's 4. Okay, 20 and 0. What we get? What we get? Two things. Okay, one is divider, divider, and second one is reminder. Okay, okay, divisor or reminder, sorry, divisor and reminder. Okay, 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 okay. So when we use divider, we will get answer this, and when we use modular, we will get this value. We will get this value. Again, again in simple mathematics. Again, anyone in doubt? It's simple mathematics. It's simple mathematics. If 100, not 100, 101. Let's see, 101. 101. 101 divided by 2. Okay. What it will be? What it will be? What it will be? 50, 50, sorry, 50, 50, and it's 100, 100, 100, and we will get remainder 1. We will get remainder 1. So when we use divide method, we will get result in JavaScript 50, and when we use modular, we will get remainder 1. We will get result 1 in JavaScript. Clear? 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 Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay. 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 Let's jump into code and see. Okay. I'll just change these numbers once for you, and then let's see. Okay. I'll change number from here directly. Okay. I'll change 2 and 101 as example, and then use 2 and 101. Let's see. We will do same thing here too. Okay. And it's a divide. Okay. Okay. It should be 50. It should be 50, and it should be 1. It should be 1. It should be 1. In modular, we always get 0 or 1 only. We all get always 0 and 1. Not 0 and 1 always. Sorry, not 0 and 1 always. Okay, okay, but reminder, it's reminder. Okay, reminder is reminder. Okay, and it's a divisor. Okay, okay, okay. Let's see the result. Let's see the result. Let's see the result. I'll just came here, get everything, and reload. Okay, what is the modular? Okay, it's divider 0.5. Okay, I just write like reminder is 2. I think I write something different. Okay, I messed up with the mathematics. It should be this one. This should be this one. 101. Should be this one. 101 divided by 2. Okay, it's correct now. And 101 modular of 2. Now it's correct. Okay, let's just refresh. Now you can see. Okay, it's 15.50. Yeah, it's correct. Okay, let's do 15.50. Yeah, it's correct, and it will be 1. It will be 1. Okay, it will be 1. Yes, yes, yes. So next point is divider multiplication. Okay, let's see. Then any doubt here? Anyone? Anyone any doubt? Anyone any doubt? Anyone any doubt? Anyone any doubt till now? 14 people. 14 to 14 people. No, no, Manoj. Okay, thanks. Thanks. Okay, okay. Those are replying are active participant. I have. Okay, okay, okay. Let's just create new file for the logical operator. Okay, let's see our slide two once. Okay, so we'll just go through with our slide. Okay, logical operators. Okay, we see string plus number equals to string. Okay, we already see string plus number equals to string. It's called concatenation. It's called concatenation. Called concatenation. Okay, okay. Let's see the logical operators. Let's see the logical operators. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As of now, we see only 8 logical operators. There are like 4 and like there are remaining 4 and 5 also. But as of now, we don't need to learn those things. Okay. We only focus on these things. Okay. 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 Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Let's jump to the code. Okay. Okay, let me just create one more file name, logical operator, logical operator. Okay, .js, .js. Why .js? Why .js? Anyone? Why .js? Because we are return JavaScript file. Okay, that's why .js. Okay, okay. Let's just connect file with our HTML script source. It's logical operator. Okay, it's connected. Yeah, it's connected. Let's just uh, let's just comment this one for as of now. Okay, let's just comment this one as of now. Okay, what it is, what it is, what are those things? Is that notation? Notation. Okay, okay. These guys don't. Okay, okay, okay. Logical operators. Abdul, please, please. Let me just change the setting first. Okay, participant settings. Let me just change the participants. Okay, not able to set in the settings. Okay, 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 okay. Let's get the setting. Okay, okay. So first one is greater than. First one is greater than. Simply greater greater than. Okay, simply greater than. Simply greater than. How we write greater than? How we write greater than? This one. How we write greater than? Like this, like this, like this. Simple, simple. Okay, 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 okay. Console dot log 5 is greater than 1. 5 is greater than 1. Hmm? 5 is greater than 1. What will be result? What will be result? What will be result? In chat, what will be result? Manoj, Akash, Adar, Karthik, Kritika, Kuldeep, Pankaj, Rahul, Ramalakshmi. True, 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 true. Correct, correct. It will true. It will true. Simple. Okay, one more thing. Logical operator always return which data type? It will always return Boolean. It will always return Boolean. What is means Boolean means? It's either true or false. Okay, 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 okay. Greater than, clear, then less than, less than, how you write less than? Like this. Okay, how you write less than? Like this. Console.log 10 is less than 18. True or false? True or false? True or false? True or false? On chat, on chat, on chat, on chat. So correct, correct, correct. I'm writing here. It should be here. It should be here. It should be here. Okay. Similar. Let's add two example for each. Okay. For example, is this like 6 is greater than 10. It will be false. Yes, it will false. False. Okay. For this one too. 10 is less than 18. Okay, 10 is less than 18. 5 is less than 1. It's a false. 5 is less than 1. Sorry, is greater than. Okay. 5 is less than 1. 5 is less than is true or false? 5 is less than 1 is true or false? 5 is less than 1. 5 is less than 1. Okay. 10 is less than 18. True. Correct. 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 साथ में रहो यार. Okay. How to read these 18 less than 18? 18 less than 10. 18 less than 10. Okay. 18 less than 10. Let's just create 18 less than 10. 18 less than, sorry. 18 less than 10. 18 less than 10. Okay. 18 less than 10. Or, or anyone like 10 greater than 18. 10 greater than 18. These two, like these two statements are same. These two statements are same. Correct. Correct. These two statements are same. But as per the use, we write. Okay. What kind of result we need? We write those things. Okay. Okay. That just let me guess. Both same statement. Both statement result same. Okay. Same. But we use as per requirement and code. Okay. 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 Less than, greater than, then less than, then equals to. Okay. Then equal, equals to, equal to, then equals to, then not again, equals to, equals to. How we write equals to? How we write equals to? How we write equal to? We write equals to for for assigning value, for assigning value, for assigning value. Like if I said let a equals to 10. So what this equals to? This equals to, this equals to, this equals to, tell the JavaScript that, add this 10 or place this 10 value inside the q variable. Inside the q variable, this equals to means. Okay. But here, when we try to use, operator for the logic, it will double equals to 10 is assigned to value a, 10 is assigned to value a. Correct, correct, correct. We assign, sorry, we okay. Let q is declaration. Let q is declaration and equals to 10 is assignation. Okay, assigning the value. Assigning the value. Okay, my, that will clear. That will clear for all of you. That will clear for all of you. Okay. So double equals to is a comparing. It's a comparing. It's a comparing. Process is comparing. It's a comparison. It's a comparison operator. It's a comparison operator, you can say also. Okay. So just comparison, you will see comparison. Okay. If I want to console dot log 10 equals to 10. 10 equals to 10. Okay. What will be output? What will be output? What will be output? What will be written? It's written also, it's written only boolean. It's written only boolean. Correct. 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 It only written boolean. It logical operators only return boolean. Okay, Manoj. Okay, for others too, logical operator only return booleans. Only return booleans, true or false. Only true or false. Okay. If you say it's 10, no, it's written boolean. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. I'll just jump into let's jump into code. Okay. Okay, it should be true. Okay, it should be true. Let's jump into the code and let's see. Because we already written 5 to 10 lines. Okay. So I just refresh. Okay. See, 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 false, false, true, true. Okay. Let's write properly. Will be for understanding. Okay. Let's write properly. Okay. Okay. 5 is greater than 1. 5 is greater than 1. Yes, true. 6 is greater than 10. No, false. So just write. How to write? I need to create a string. Okay. Comma. String, comma. Sorry. String. comma, is 5 greater than 1? Just let me copy this string over here, and then 6 greater than 10. Okay, here 5 is less than. Okay, then here 10 is less than 18, less than 15. Okay, here 10 triple equals to 10. Okay, okay, okay. Control S and compare and reload. Okay, okay. 5 greater than 1, true. 6 less than greater than 10, false. 5 less than 1, false. 10 less than 18, true. Correct? It's true. Okay. And 10 equals to 10, it's true. Any doubt? Till now, any doubt? Till now, any doubt? Okay. 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 Let's just do our code. Okay. 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 Let's see. Let let mm, first name. Speak first name equals to Virat. Okay. And let age equals to 45. Okay. Okay. Can we do comparison here? Can we do comparison here? Can we do comparison here? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Can we do comparison? Let's see. Console.log. Okay. Console.log is greater first name FIRST first name greater than 45. 45. Okay. Let's see what happened here. What happened? What if? What if? Okay. What if? What if? What if? Okay. What if? What if we do this? What if we do this thing? What if? What will be result? What will be result? What will be result? What will be result? Yes, Ji. Yes, 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 Manoj. Yeah. What will be result? What will be result? What if I do this also? What if I do this also? What will be the result? What will be the result? Or again, one more. True equals to false. हम्म, क्या कर रहे हो सर आप? ये तो दिमाग के बाहर जा रहा है ना, कुछ भी कर रहे हो। हाँ, यही ना। हाँ, FIRST FIRST FIR first name equals to H. Okay. If I do this thing too, then then क्या होगा? क्या होगा? What will happen? What will happen? What will happen? What if I do this thing? क्या चल रहा है ना? क्या होगा? कभी सोचे? Everything, everything, everything. It is what about the coding? It is what about the coding? False. Okay. Okay. Let's see one by one. Okay. Let's see one by one. Let's see one by one. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Just came here and reload. Okay. See. See. Everything is false. Everything is false. Why? 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 Why everything is false? Why everything is false? Why? Correct. Who's Deep said data type. What data type? Correct. Correct is data type. Is data type. Is it about data type? Correct, Dev. Is it about data type? Operator? Is it for operator? Is it for operator? Is it because of operator? It's not the same type. Okay. Okay. Simply, just simple, just simple, just simple thing. Just simple thing. Okay. Just simple thing. Okay, for operator, correct, correct. For operator, correct, correct. It's simple thing. It's a simple thing. It's a string and it's a number. It's a string and it's a number. That's why it's written false. That's why it's written false. What if I add? What if I'll just all of them are okay. I'll just write me. All of them are false. All of them are false. Okay, all of them are false. Simple. Just it's a data type thing. Okay, it's a data type thing. Okay. If I want to check data type 2, if I want to data type 2, we will use type of. Okay, we will use type of. Okay, let's see here. How do we do type of, and type of boolean? Okay, let's see what will be written. Let's see what will be written. Let's see. Refresh. Where it is, where it is, where it is. True. Is it? True. True. False equals to false is true. Here, I written here. Yeah, correct. True. True. Why it's true? Why it's true? Because both are Boolean. Both are Boolean. Both are Boolean. Data type is true, data type is false. Okay, yeah. Yeah. I written there true and false. That's why it's written true and false. Okay. It's a true. It's a true. It's a true. Because both are Boolean. Because both are Boolean. How do I show you? How do I show you? Let me just make a modification. Let me just make a modification. Let's write template literal here. Okay. For modification, let's write template literal here. Okay. If I write dollar and then here to dollar and opening closing, and here I'm just writing this one. Okay, just writing this one, control C. Okay, okay, white store return, and okay, sorry, it's a dollar, it should be dollar. Okay, okay, anyone any doubt on this line? Anyone any doubt on this line? Okay, I just using the power of template literal to show you the type of, in console, to show you the type of in console. Okay, and then I use this for calculation. I use this for calculation. Okay. Okay. Any doubt here? Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay. Okay. Yes. We will check this thing. Okay. We will check this thing. Okay. Let's just reload. Okay. 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 Boolean equals to Boolean equals to true. Equals to true. Equals to true. Okay. Okay. So, if we wanted to check its type too, so we need to write type of, correct? Correct. If we need to write type of. Okay. What if we have already one thing? Strict. It's called strict comparison. It's called strict comparison. Strict comparison. Strict comparison. Okay. Strict comparison, which is it's strict. And what will be about spelling? Anyone? 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 Resource factor. I don't know. Okay. Whatever. Okay. It will be. It will be triple equals to. Will be triple equals to. It will be triple equals to. Okay. 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 Let's see example. Let's see the example. Let's see the example. Okay. Console dot log. Okay. 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 String name. String name. Let's see. Virat. Okay. Equals to Kohli. Okay. What will be output? What will be output? What will be output? Let's see. Quick. Let's see. Let's just quickly. Let's see just quickly. Okay. Okay. Just reload. It's false. It's false. It's false. And what if I write? What if I write? What if I write? What if I write? Virat equals to Virat and Kohli equals to Kohli. Virat equals to Virat and Kohli equals to Kohli. What will be output? What will be output? What will be output? Reload. True. 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 Because each and every text is same. Each and every text is same. Each and every text is same. But but let me just okay. But 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 if I write triple equals to, if I write triple equals to, What if I write triple equals to? Control C. Okay. What if I write triple equals to? Then what will be output? Then what will be output? This one is true because it's same. This one is true because it's all same. Okay. And this one is false. This one is false. And this one is, and this one, and this one, and this one, because I use triple equals to. This one, this one, this one. Anyone? We have five messages. True, false, true, false. Okay, this one also false. Okay, this one also false. It will check first its its type and then check values. It first of all is check types and then values. Okay, console dot log dot log console dot log. So we see this example. Okay, true equals to false. Okay, it should be false. Okay, okay. Console, just let me copy paste. Okay, and this one, this one in chat, this one equal type, equal value, correct. Single equals to only check values and triple equals to check its data type too. Okay, it will strictly check data type plus value. It will check data type and value. Only difference is okay, okay, okay. What it will be output? What it will be output? What it will be output? Anyone in chat or any? Let's see. Can we see? Okay, let's see on. Let's see on. Okay, just clear. Refresh. It's false. It's false. It's false. It's false. Where we are. Here we are. Why it's false? Its data type is same, but value is, but values are different. Data type is same, but values are different. Correct? 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 Okay. So we return only, I'm writing here, the difference between equals to and typical equals to is we'll check the value, okay, and we'll check the data type along with value. Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay. Considering no one had doubt. Okay. 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 Let's see other comparison operators. Okay. What we see greater than less than. Okay. And we see less than. Sorry. We will see greater than equals to equal. Okay. Greater than equal. How it's written? Greater than equal. Okay. Then we have less than equal. Less than equal. Okay. Less than equal. How we write? How we write? Console dot log console.log greater than equal how to see it's 10 greater than equals to greater than equals to 10 or greater than equals to 5. Okay, how it will read, how it read, how we will read this, 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 or what the output. It's 10 greater than 5 equals greater than equals to 5. It's 10 greater than equals to 5. True, true. Yes, it's true. Yes, it's true. Okay, okay, it's true. Simple, 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 simple. Less than equals to, less than equals to, less than equals to. Okay, less than equals to. It's false, false. What this equals to check? What this equals to check? It's also check. Is it equals to or not? Okay, less than. Okay, I'll show you the difference. Simple difference. Okay, why this equals to comes. Okay, I'll just show you simple difference. What is the use of this equals to? Okay, correct, false. 10 greater than 5 equals to 10 greater than equals to 5, so it will be false. Okay, I'll show the simple example why equals to we are used. Okay, I'll show a simple example. Y equals to comes. Okay, y equals to come or why we are using. Okay, okay. When we write, when we write 10 less than 10, what will be the output? 10 less than 10. 10 less than 10. False, 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 correct, correct, false. And simply I write 10 greater than 10. It's also false. It's also false. It's also false. Correct, correct. So what if I want to check 10 also included? So I need to write 11 here or here. Correct. If I want to include the 10, so I need to write the extra effort. Okay, I need to write extra effort, or I need to write what we say, uh, logic. Okay, I need to take care of this thing. Okay, always, always. So that's why equals to comes to handle this thing. Okay, if I write 10 less than equals to 10, so it will include 10 also. So then it will be true. It will be true. Similarly, if 10 greater than equals to 10, it will handle including 10 too. So that's why it's also true. Okay, it's also true. Correct, correct, correct. That's why equals to is come with the comparison operator. Okay, 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 okay. I think it's we good to go. Okay, less than and greater than. Okay, what we have also, what we have, what we have, greater than and less than, and or and not, and or and not, and or and not. Okay, okay, okay. Let's just see quickly and or and not. Okay, okay, and or and not, and sorry, A and D. Okay, and or and not. Okay, how do we write and nor and not in JavaScript? We write and as a double, and or on double. What we say? It's a straight line. Okay, and not is exclamatory sign. Okay, we write like this. Okay, we read like this and write like this. Okay, we write double and, okay, and read and double, what we say, the single lines. Okay, which is beside the our opening closing curly bracket or square bracket button. Okay, okay, it's beside the, okay, and it's exclamatory sign, and we read it like a not. Okay, okay, okay. Let's see the example of it. Okay, console.log, console.log. If I want to check what we say, numbers. Okay, let's see. Check is is available, available. Okay, is available. Okay, so let's see. I want to calculate or see 5 greater than 10 and and 5 5 less than less than sorry, yeah, right. 5 is less than 10 and 5 is greater than 1. Okay. Okay. What will be output? What will be output? What will be output? Any doubt? Any doubt? What will be output? False. Is it false? 5 is less than 10 and 5 is greater than 1. True. Correct. True. True. It will be true. It will be true. And operator, what will check? And operator strictly check this one and this one. If both conditions, if both conditions like it's true, you it true and it's true, then will return true. Okay. And what if it's false? Any of this is false. Any of this is false and it's true. Will return false. Okay. False. If it's false, if it's false, sorry, false and false, it will return false. Sorry, false. Okay. Okay. Everyone, everyone with me. Okay. If it's false, if it's true and false, same false, like any condition getting into the false, it will return false. It strictly need both value is a true, then it will pass true. Okay. 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 Let's see, I'll just comment these things. Okay. Just comment this thing and let's see the output. Let's see the output. Let's see the output. What we have returned. Okay. Okay. Reload is variable. Mm, I think I write something. Just let me clean the code first. Okay, just let me quick clean to the code. Okay, 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 okay. Is variable. Is variable. Okay, is variable. Okay, is variable should be true. Its variable is a true. Yeah. Reload. It's true. It's true. Just reload. It's true. Okay. 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 Similarly, variable using and using using and operator. Okay, using and operator. Similarly, for the or operator. Okay, for the or operator. For the or operator. Okay, for the or operator. So or operator what or operator will do? What or okay, I'll just let me just decorate this until for understanding. Okay. Okay. So or operator only thing check this one is true or this one is true. It only need one condition is true. It will need only, it has to be one condition is true, it will return true. Okay. So here both condition is true, both condition is true, both condition is true. So that's why it will return true. I'll just copy paste this. Okay, it will help us to write properly. Okay. Little adjustment. Okay. So it's true, it will send true. If false and true, it will return true. It will return true. If false and false, it will return false. And it's true and false, it will return true. Okay. 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 Is it clear or operator for everyone? Or operator is clear using or operator. Using or operator. Okay. 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 Let's see like that. And A and D and those are from computer or computer what we say background or electronic electrical. They understand this thing properly because they already learn about the gates. Okay, logical gates. Correct, correct, correct. Okay, let's see our and operator. Sorry, not operator. Let's see not operator. Not operator. Not operator. What is this not operator? It's just a simple toggle for the boolean. It's just a simple toggle for the boolean. What is toggle? Just toggle, switch, on off, 0 to 1, 1 to 0, on off, 0 to 1, 1 to 0. It's just a simple toggle. It's just a simple toggle. If I write not a true, not, if I write true, true, true. If I write true, okay, I'll just remove this thing. Okay, if I write true, it will return true, it will return true, it will return true. And if I write false, if I write false, false, it will return, it will return false. Simple, 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 simple. I'll just let me correct. Let me just create a variable. Let value equals to true. Okay, let's just do one thing. Okay, I'll just print this one. Okay, I'll comment this one. Okay, what I'll get, what I'll get, what I will get, I will get true, I will get true. Okay, let's see, let's see. Did I get true or not? Did I get true or not? Let's see, let's see. Did I get true or not? Refresh. Get true, got true, got true. Like means if I write not true, it will false. Or if I write not false, false, it will true. It just toggle boolean value. It just toggle boolean value. It just toggle boolean value. Okay, it just toggle boolean value. It's true and false. It's true and false. Like if I add not here, okay, okay, and then again I added not, again added not. Okay, so first time it will true, first time it will true, first time it will true. Okay, everywhere, every time it will return us true, every time it will return us true. Okay, then I, or then value equals to not, sorry, value equals to value, not value, value equals to not a value, value equals to not a value. What will be output? Value equals to not a value. What will be value now? 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 Okay, forget this one. What will be value now? It's toggled. It's toggle. I just took this boolean, then I toggle and again use that same variable to store the value. Its value. Okay. Okay. Similarly, similarly, similarly. Correct. 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 Okay. 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 Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay. I'll just share the value. Sorry. Refresh. Okay, it's true and then false. It's true and then false. Same. I just do one operator thing. Okay, I just added one operator. I just added one operator. If I didn't add operator, it will give you the same answer. Just see, just quickly see what will be the answer. Just refresh, refresh. It's true. It's true. I just reassign with the same value. Okay, 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 okay. So most important two topics. 10 people. Okay, most important topics, it's plus plus and minus minus. Okay, it's plus plus and minus minus. It's increment, it's increment, increment, and it's decrement, and it's decrement. Simple, simple, simple. I'll show you, I'll show you, I'll show you, I'll show you. Okay, okay, okay. Let me just console.log. Okay, okay, okay. Let a, let a. Okay, then I, sorry, let a, then I assign a equals to 1. Okay, let's say a equals to 0. What will be output of a? What will be output of a? What will be output of a? 0, 0. This output is 0, correct? And then I do one thing, then I do one thing, add plus plus, then add plus plus. What will be its output? What will its output? Okay, not here, not here, not here. Okay, I will need to do thing. Then I add plus plus, then I add plus plus, sorry, then I plus plus. What will be the output here? What will be output here? In chat, in chat, in chat. What will be output here? 1, 1. Cause it increment by 1. It will increment it by 1. Okay, correct, correct, correct. Similar, similar, similar. Then I came here and then again do plus plus. It will be 2. It will be 2. Correct, 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 correct. Similarly, if I do all of the things here, then I, sorry, okay, then I do this thing, minus, 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 minus. Okay, what will be output? What will be output? 1, 1. Correct, correct, correct. Again, I did one. Again, I did this thing. Again, I did this thing. It will be 0. Okay. Again, I did this thing. It will be minus 1. Correct, 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 correct. So here we have catch. Yes, yes, Dev. Yes, yes. We have one catch. Okay, okay. So instead of writing these, developer can do, developer can write using another method too. Okay, a plus equals to a plus equals to a. Okay, looks little bit weird, looks little bit weird, but under the hood, it's doing this thing. It's doing this thing. It's doing this thing. Okay, don't be confused. Don't be confused. Don't be confused. I just wanted to show you. If you read any developer's code, you will see this one. If you wanted to add, if you wanted to this thing, okay. So it's okay. It's not doing this thing. Sorry, it's not doing this thing. It will doing a adding inside this. A adding inside is this. Okay, like it will doing this one. A equals to a plus a. A equals to a plus a, not plus plus. Okay, this is doing a equals to a plus a. Okay, okay. It's writing this thing. A equals to a plus a, like that, like that, like that, like that. What will be output here? What will be the output here? Or let's see here. Or let's see here. Okay, we will do here. What will be output here? It will be confusing, but what will be output here? Okay, let's see. We have 1 here. Okay, then we add 1 plus 1, like we do inside A. Add 1 plus 1. What we do command? Inside A, just do 1 plus 1. Okay, because that time A value is 1. Okay, that time A value is 1. Okay, so we ask him and he provide 2. Then what we do command? Let's do A equals to 2 plus 2. Okay, then what will be output? It's 4. What will be output? It's 4. Correct, correct, correct. Any doubt? Any doubt? Anyone any doubt? Okay, 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 okay. So we have increment and decrement. We have post increment and post decrement. Post increment, sorry, pre increment. We see post increment, right? Pre increment and pre decrement. Okay, we have pre increment and pre decrement also. What will pre increment and pre decrement? It will be variable, before variable minus minus, and before, sorry, before variable plus plus, and before variable minus minus. Okay, okay, okay. It's simply let's look example. Let 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 b equals to b, and then b equals to 0. Sorry. Okay, then control C, control V. I'll just do one thing. Let, sorry, not let, b equals to minus minus b. B equals to minus minus b, and then console b. What will be output? What will be output? What will be output? Or just do one thing. Just do one thing. Minus minus b. What will be output? Okay. What will be output? Minus minus b. What will be output? Give me this answer. We will get clear about the pre-increment, pre-decrement. What will be output? What will be output? Simple. What will be output? Okay. We will not go with the terms, Manoj, because it will confuse for the new people. Okay. Pre increment, pre decrement. Okay. this output will be remain same 0, and these outputs also remain same 0. Why? 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 We decremented, but then why? We incremented, then why? Why? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, minus 1 0, minus 1 0, and then a console. Okay, okay, correct, 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 correct. Sorry, sorry, sorry. It's my mistake. It's my mistake. Okay, it's my mistake because we already did inside. Okay, so let's just, let's just, let's just, let's just, let me show you the difference. Okay, yeah, we'll show you the difference. Okay, we'll clear you. Okay, c equals to 0. Just let me show you the simple thing. Okay, 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 okay. Then, but like 0 minus 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 minus. Okay, minus 1 plus plus minus thing also again comes to 0. Then, 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 then minus minus. Okay, okay, okay. What will be output? What will be output? What will be output? What will be output? Output is 0, and this one is minus 1. Okay, okay. I think it's clear. Okay, it will be clear. Okay. So what happened here? What happened here? What happened here? Console comes and read the value of b. Okay, and then it will see minus minus. Okay, so I need to do first minus minus, then JavaScript do minus minus. Okay, then JavaScript do minus minus thing. Okay, JavaScript came here inside console, inside, and then he see the line console. Then he see inside. Oh, we need to do minus minus. So he then do minus minus. So primary is 0, and then he do minus minus. Then it will get minus 1. Then he display minus 1. Okay. So now what's inside the B? What's inside the B? B value is minus 1. Okay. B value is minus 1. B value is minus 1. B value is minus 1. That's why it will print minus 1. And then it will come to the second line. It will come to the second line. Then he will see, oh, I need to do plus plus. Then he will do plus plus. Okay, then JavaScript do b equals to 0. Then they b equals to 0, and then print 0. Okay, okay. Any doubt here? Any doubt here? For the pre-increment. Similarly, in post increment, let's see, we have C. Okay, it's a B. It's a B. Okay. So currently we have what inside, what we have inside C, what we have inside C, what we have inside C. Currently, what we have inside C. Inside C we have 0. Okay. Okay, it's first C. Then then JavaScript come here. Then it will see, okay, I need to print C. So it will print 0. It will print 0. And then he will see, okay, I need to do minus minus. Then it will be minus 1. Then JavaScript make it minus 1. And then he will see console log dot C. And then it will see, okay, it's a C. And then it will print again minus 1. What if I add here plus plus? What if I add plus plus? Then again JavaScript run for a single line. Again it's run. Then it will get equals to equals to equals to equals to 1. Sorry, equals to 0. Equals to 0. It will make it 0. Okay. First print. First of all, it print minus 1, and then make increment 0. Okay. Okay. I know it will be a little bit confusing. I know it will be a little bit confusing. Okay. Just see video properly, and then you will get clear about that. Okay. Okay. We will do try run again for the more clarity. Okay. So we run out of time today. So that's why we're stopping here. Okay. Anyone in doubt as of now? Anyone any doubt? Anyone have any doubt? Okay. Let me just share the screen. Okay. I didn't do. Okay. Okay. See, minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. Okay. 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 No, 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 no. Okay. It's called pre-increment, post-increment, correct? But as of now, just understand the pre-increment, post-increment for the increment and pre-increment. Okay. 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 I didn't write here. Okay. I'll add that. Okay. I'll share for both these notes, quizzes and everything. Okay. I'll share up with you. Okay. 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 Any doubt, anyone?